A single bite of food, a tiny miracle. She swatted at a string. Her spark was coming back. Then came a soft purr, like a whisper of life. She slept in sunlight instead of fear. The vet smiled. She made it. Now she never leaves her side. She watches her, follows her, her shadow. From dying stray to beautiful survivor. Tears were shed. They saved each other. A paw resting on a hand. A silent thank you. She was never just a cat. She was meant to be loved. Adopt, save a soul. You could be their miracle.